Gran Turismo Sport 2015. My car typically sits in the garage and I put it on the trickle charger. But instead of just using the alligator clamps all the time, this C-Tek brand or whatever Maserati brand has this connection. Bought this off of eBay, which is part of the same manufacturer. So now I'm just going to bolt this to the battery or to the terminals, have this sticking up here. A lot easier than removing all of the covers in the trunk. So there's a setup. There's blinking. Then it goes over to Tinder.